What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can remotely access your Linux computer using your mobile phone. So without talking too much, let's get started. So guys, now you can see my computer screen. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to install Xrdp on your Linux computer and enable it. To do it, open up your terminal. Then just simply type here sudo apt install Xrdp. Then hit enter. Then give your root password and the Xrdp will be installed on your Linux computer. Now to enable it, first of all clear your terminal. Then type here sudo systemctl enable Xrdp. Then hit enter. And it will enable the Xrdp remote desktop protocol of your Linux computer. Now our Linux configuration setup is ready. Now clear your terminal and type here ifconfig to see your Linux IP address. And in this case, mine is 192.168.0.127. Okay. Now if I go to my Android device, here you can see my mobile phone screen. Now if I go to Play Store and search here RDP, then you will get this Microsoft Corporation Remote Desktop application. Click on it and install it on your Android device. You can see it's installing, so give it some time. Okay, now it's installed. Now just click on open to open up the application. Then click on accept. Now here you will get a plus icon, right side top in the corner. Click on it and click on add PC. Then you will get this type of screen. In the PC name, type the IP address of your Linux computer, which is 192.168.0.127. Then click on user account and click on add user account. Then here you need to give your Linux user account. Here I am typing Mr. Robot and the password is Kali. Then click on save. Then keep all of these settings as it is. Then click on save. Then click on this icon. Then click on connect. And you can see now I can access my Linux computer using my Android device. Using this RDP protocol, you can easily use your Linux computer from your mobile device. Now if I take the mobile phone in my hand, now let's see. Here you can see I'm using my mobile phone using my hand and the touch work very smoothly. You can open terminal, you can execute command, you can run almost any tool using your mobile phone device. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.